Hi sweeties, it's lunchtime and I'm going to make my favorite easy seafood, it's shrimp ramen noodles using my favorite brand of ramen, Shin Black. I love the chew of the noodles. I love the taste of the seasoning packets they have in there. Let's get into it, but first, subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that notification bell. Give me the thumbs up. Let's get cooking. So the first thing we're going to do is brown some smoked sausage. And this is just that regular, rope of sausage that you get in the refrigerated section of the grocery store. Let's take a look at our Shin Black noodles. Spicy pate feu flavor. Let's go ahead and pull these out. So that Shin Black, it comes with 3 packets. There's this soup base packet, another soup base packet. This one is more spicy. See the chili peppers in there. So I don't use all of this because I'm a wimp when it comes to spice. This is your dehydrated vegetables, and then your noodles. Add 2 1/3 cups of water. And let that come back up to the simmer. I'm going to just cover it. And then I'm also going to add some shrimp. I've got some frozen shrimp, peeled, deveined, and tail off. And I've got some mussels. I picked up a couple bags of these frozen mussels. Here, I'll give you a better look. These are from Super H Mart. Hang on a second. And, I just plop them in pretty much near the end of cooking. They are, plump, juicy. You don't want to cook them for too long. You just really want them to defrost and heat up in that hot water. Oops, I dropped one. So, we just have to wait for our water to get back to the boil. Those sausages have been simmering for a bit and adding some flavor to our soup. We're going to go ahead and put in our mussels and shrimp, and this is going to be enough for at least 2 people. Shake that around and cover it back up. And you can see it doesn't take long for the shrimp to start to curl and turn pink. I'm going to use just a little, maybe half of the spice packet. There's the vegetable packet. And I don't use all of the seasoning packet either because I'm going to add some fish sauce and some lime juice at the end. Then I'm going to pop that in and cover it. And I don't like to boil it it says boil it for 4 minutes. To me, that's too long. I like to let mine just cook for maybe 2.5, 3 minutes just to get tender and still chewy. Let's see what's going on. Woohoo! It's just about to... smells real good. Smells real good. Let's stir it around. That's it, folks. That's all. Let me go get myself a bowl and dish it up. Get the sausage in there, the shrimp. Let's finish dishing it up. Putting some of that good broth on there. I really need to just pour it out, but I'm afraid to make a mess. Oh, man. All right, and then, now what we're going to do is add our fish sauce, 3 crabs, put a little goes a long way. I mean, honestly, I like a lot of fish sauce, some lime, fresh lime juice in there. Fish sauce, it can be pretty strong, but I love that taste. Fish sauce and lime together. And that's it. It's time to eat. Let me go grab, I'm not going to front and use chopsticks. I'm just going to use a fork, and then I'll just drink the broth out of the bowl. That's it. all done. Ramen, mussels, shrimp. You can see that had some dehydrated vegetables in there, some celery, some mushroom. I'm gonna eat it up for my lunch. The fish sauce and the lime really bring it to life. So good. You can't have none, kitty. No shrimp ramen for you. It's only for me. Lunchtime. Gonna eat my ramen. It's got a little shrimp on there. It's really tasty. Highly recommend. I always keep some frozen shrimp on hand. The mussels, that's a new thing I tried to do a couple months ago. I saw it when I was at Super H. They bought a bag of frozen mussels, and I have loved them. The other night I made like some shrimp and mussels simmered in tomato sauce, some red pepper flake, put a little garlic in there. Oh, it's so good. So keeping frozen seafood, to me, it makes such it just makes it easy to make a quick meal. I love it. Let's get some of that. It's tasty. I love Shin Ramen. The noodles remain a bit chewy, and I don't like to cook it for the whole 4 minutes. Like I said, I'm gonna just the lime, the fresh lime in there makes a big difference. The fish sauce, I love fish sauce. Fish sauce and lime together, it's perfect. Have a delicious day. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell. You know what would be good in this? Some bok choy. I wish I had some bok choy. I like to simmer it in that broth and let it get tender. The stalk part get tender. Hit the notification bell. Thumbs up. Easy shrimp ramen, seafood. It's got some mussels in there, sausage. Have a delicious day.